Well, yes, there is a very simple way to find out what people are searching for. You use merchant words. That's the easiest way. So merchant words has got that data for us. So let's do iPhone case. iPhone case. There you go. So here's merchant words. You need what's called the Pro account to get this information. Here is Amazon in beta mode. And we can see that there are 126,000 searches per month for an iPhone X case. So that's a brand new iPhone. And then all the other iPhone cases are just listed underneath. But 120,000 people a month search for iPhone cases. If you do not have merchant words and you want to get access to the data, it's the only tool I use. I don't use Jungle Scout. I don't use anything else. Simplest thing to do is go to merchantwords.com/Aussie online entrepreneurs, and you will get the discounted price from $60 to $39 a month. And that's all thanks to the very, very cool guy, George Lawrence, who's an absolute stone cold legend, putting a discount together for us. I don't get a red cent of that, by the way. It was a conversation we had with George, which basically went, do you want to get an affiliate commission, or would you rather pass on that deal to all of your group? And of course I said I'd much rather pass it on to my group, and so that's what we get. We get a discount, which I think is cool. It's a great piece of kit. I absolutely love merchant words. So that's the simplest way to find out what people are searching for on Amazon. And then as far as actually what you go search for, well, that's pretty easy too. Let's just go to google.com.au. Google is your friend for sure. So I search for, well, let's supposing I'm selling in the homewares, and I'm going to go look for now trade shows, Australia. Oops, search like that. So the strategy is category you're selling in, homewares, trade shows, country that you want to source in. So for us, homewares, trade shows, Australia, that will get you all of these. So here's all the different trade shows. So if we go to this one, for instance, the top search result is Reed gift fairs. So you could either go to the actual event yourself, or you can find out who all the exhibitors are, and by that way you'll be able to just contact these companies directly and go to it that way. Okay, so you can just get all the exhibitor info for all the people who are exhibiting at the show, and then just contact them directly. So that works. Homewares trade show, obviously gift fair is another one. Gift fair, that'll get you lots of others. Lots of other ones. I also look for trade magazines. Trade magazines, you should definitely get yourself onto the trade magazines too. And then the other way I use is, where's Australia? Distributor. Use that search term as well, and that way I can get wholesalers and distributors, and that's an interchangeable search term. Wholesalers and distributors, very, very interchangeable. So let Google do all the searching for you, and then you contact these people directly. That's the easiest way to source suppliers in Australia. It's certainly what I do when I'm looking for suppliers in Oz. So do that, Kim. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon. that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.